How to open Chase bank account from mobile. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel and let's get started. First of all, let's go ahead and launch up our Chase bank application. For security purpose, you might not be able to see my screen. However, you will see a button that says open an account. You have to tap onto it, and likewise it will show you various options of accounts that you can open, and simply choose whatever that you would like. I'm choosing savings for now. And from here, tap on Open Now. And now at this page, it will ask you if you are an existing Chase customer. If you are, you can simply tap on this Yes, sign in now. If not, tap on No, I'm not a customer. Then tap on Get Started. Likewise, you have to type in your first name, your middle name if you have any, and your last name. Also be noted, you have to type in the exact name that you have in your ID. And simply type in your suffix if you have any. Once done, tap on Next. Likewise, at this page, simply type in the date of birth, then tap on Next. Here, type in your email address, your phone number, then tap on Next. And likewise, all you have to do is follow the on-screen prompt, provide the information that they are asking, and that way you can easily create yourself a new Chase bank account from your mobile. That is all for today, guys. Thank you for watching.